The Ways and Whys of Recycling is sponsored by Rumpke, the recycling leader.
We've all got them: cell phones, tablets, laptops, desktops, TVs, and more. But when they break or wear out, what then? Hi, I'm Jeff Snyder, Director of Recycling for Rumpke Waste and Recycling. And when our gadgets and gizmos die, what we're left with is e-waste. If you're thinking about throwing your e-waste into the trash, don't. E-waste often contains toxic chemicals and hazardous materials. If these products aren't disposed of properly, the substances can become dangerous, and we don't want them in our landfills or in our recycling bins. So what can you do? Rumpke offers on-site disposal services and shipping containers for businesses who need to help manage large volumes of e-waste. If it's just you and your broken phone, we encourage you to contact your local solid waste management district so they can direct you to safe residential e-waste drop-off centers. If you have electronics that are not broken, but you've already upgraded to the latest model or the next updated version, consider safely donating those older but still functioning units to give them a new life. Check your local nonprofit organizations to see if they might be able to use your old tech. Another option for old electronics that still works is to investigate ways you might be able to reuse them yourself. For example, an old phone might work well as a second camera or as a music or video player. An old computer might work great as a communication station for remote meetings or as a personal media center or security system. Just think of the possibilities. For more of the latest information about recycling and other useful tips, visit Rumpke.com, the recycling leader.
The Ways and Whys of Recycling is sponsored by Rumpke, the recycling leader.